Alright, so previously we did something like this. Let me just show you here. So I made a Jump Rope Pro Plus. It's just like a temporary name, just for demonstration purpose. So I want to make an app that can like say record your daily jumping the rope. Okay, and you can record the jump. Maybe say while you are jumping, you wear Apple Watch. Okay, and the Apple Watch can detect the repetition of your jump, and it will record and show a chart here, something like that. Okay, so we can change that jump to weight, to VO2 max, to all the calories, and I just made some dummy card view here, right? So far so good, but I want to talk about it's more like a user interface sort of thing. So while you are doing the developments, you have to think about this. So, for example, here we got a very small icon, right? So if you click this jump, or do you know lead user to a specific page that can show detail, something like that. But using the very small icon, does not necessarily mean that you have to make this small icon the active area while you are actually do the navigation. So basically, I want to make this navigation say you click this chart as well as here. You also got to navigate to a specific area, and this small icon just an indication that this is clickable. This is a link. It's like a hyperlink in HTML, something like that. And it is sort of a like encouragement to encourage the user to actually click it and navigate to a specific area that you want to show the detail of the content. So yeah, let's do that. So the in SwiftUI, if you want to do that, very simple. You just need to have a navigation link for this. So we already put everything inside of a navigation stack. We changed the selected selection context by using selection context. Using enum, I already add a calorie. So previously it's just jump and weight and VO2 max. And I add a calories just for fun. Okay, I just want to add a little bit of content to our app. And right now we got a V stack, we got a picker, and I want to set everything inside a navigation link. So we got the edge stack here, so everything is like a horizontal, and we got this V stack, we got padding, rounded rectangle. So edge means horizontal, right? Horizontal, whatever is inside, you can just collapse everything here, right? This is horizontal, which means all the thing here, right? And we got padding, and we are rounded rectangle, so this will be the background. And let me just collapse this, and V stack, vertical stack, right? So this is a background, and inside we got a V stack, we got an image, I got a padding, we got another rounded rectangle, right? Just for simplicity purpose, I'm going to just remove some of the rectangle. Okay, just to remove every rounded rectangle, just leave one. Okay, I want it to be clear, to be precise, so you guys can see what's going on, right? So we got jump, yeah, we got this jump, which is redundant because we already like delete the rectangle here. So rounded rectangle, edge stack, jump. Yeah, I believe the edge stack can be deleted. Get everything, reformat a little bit, and yeah, let's see the results. Successful. Yeah. So yeah, just leave one. Okay, so you know exactly what you're doing. I think you can put the whole edge stack and the yeah, rounded rectangle. Yeah, I think I can take the whole edge stack inside of a navigation link. Okay. I think maybe put edge stack as well as rounded rectangle inside of a V stack. I think that should be good. Okay, so just clap this so I can see what's going on. Right, rounded rectangle. Let me just curly bracket. So just get everything inside. Virtual stack. V stack. Get everything. Command, Control and I just reformat a little bit. So hopefully this won't change the layout, but it's much more organized because you put this part and this part inside the V stack, right? And yeah, and I want, can I just get all the edge stack and the rounded rectangle? I'm going to get all inside of the navigation link. Okay, so let me just bracket here, and we don't have a name here. So what I'm gonna do is make all this. Let me just show you. Make here and here clickable, right? So navigation link, and we're going to pass a specific value here. So the value of navigation link will be our selected context. So according to the different contexts, you can have a different navigation, right? So yeah, can't find navigation link in scope. Okay, there's no navigation link in scope. Oh, navigation, sorry, it's not navigation. So that should do. That should do. Okay, yeah, navigation link edge set. Yeah, sorry, this should be a virtual stack, so V stack, sorry about that. Come on, yeah, sorry. Why the V's appear here? It should appear here. So V stack, yeah, let's do that again. Okay, it failed. Why is that? Okay, let me just navigation. Okay, I just undo things. Horizontal, no. Okay, why there is like a horizontal stack and inside of V stack? Yeah, V stack. Sorry. Yeah, this should do. Let's just wait and see the result. Yeah, that's really weird. Why still already make it like a virtual stack? Okay, maybe there is something wrong with the like a default API, because this is really weird. This is really weird. So we already made a this is like a selection picker, all that inside the virtual stack, the picker and the content. The content also a vertical stack, right? So it should be up and down and inside the navigation link. So maybe it's the navigation link that did something wrong with. Okay, so let me think of a way. Okay, I know what's going on. So I'm going to get a rounded rectangle all the way here. I'm going to command X and put it outside of the navigation link. Okay, just make the upper part a navigation link, because obviously, yeah, V stack. So jump, so we can yeah, navigate. But it's sort of like a mess up with all this with the style. So yeah, we have to like really think about the style as well. And here we can't click. Okay, let's let's continue to modify it. Okay, I got it. I made this like a horizontal, and this part is a VStack. This part is a spacer, and this part is image. Okay, I think that should solve it. And then right now it will just give you a link here, right? And okay, get this wrapped here so it will not mess up with the layout, but can get navigation work at the same time. Okay, so if you put it inside, yeah, I already got this. You put it inside, you got this horizontal stack here. It will not work. But if you put everything then inside of a VStack and close it here, maybe this will work. And all that is can be navigated. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So you get a hint, but even though the user is not click here, it's click here, still it will be navigated. Yeah, that's good. And we got this navigation stack, by the way. So let's just collab everything. And at the end of navigation stack, we can say a padding, something like that. So dot padding, and we can have a we'll have a like a navigation title. Okay, the title will be yeah, like the detail, and we can have the destination, navigation destination for our hashable type. So the hashable type will be the selected context. It can be hashable. Okay, and the destination dot self will have the destination of specific view. Yeah, I got it. So for the context in, and it will just show the text, just to quickly test this, of the context. Context, and I'm going to just show the context dot let's just use title to quickly represent the navigation. So there will be a view. Okay, so you click it, should give you a view and give you a title, but link for destination is around within the same column. Link search, but there is no match navigation declaration visible from the location of the link. Link cannot be activated. Okay, let me quickly debug this. Okay, I think I got the reason. So it's not here, it's not navigation stack. Scroll view, okay? Scroll view here. Let's change the parentheses and see the result. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, jump rope pro plus, go to the dashboard center page, click here, we got jump right now, right? Weight, and then we can get a weight. VO2 max, go VO2 max, get calorie, click, we got calorie. Yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, and of course you can fine tune the detail, right? So for example, the you can change the customize, change the text color. Right now the text color is because you added navigation link here, it will automatically become a like a hyperlink sort of thing. So we'll change the style. You can change back the daily jumps. Let me uncollapse it here, and I'm going to search daily jumps, foreground color, secondary. Yeah, I believe I can change the whole navigation links modifier. So let me just collapse this. Okay, there is no modifier. I'm going to add a modifier here. So for example, the foreground style dots. Okay, you can say background. Let me make it secondary. So just a botch change to secondary, and we can have a I think maybe change the secondary will work. Yeah, it just becomes secondary, so you can click it and change it here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I believe I can just get rid of the style here, because there's already secondary. What's inside is already secondary. Or you can make it like the orange. The orange is very good. Yeah, you can do that, or you can just make the whole navigation link, which will be here, orange, something like that. Okay, so everything inside will just be orange. I think you will override it. Okay, so even though you got this image of a secondary color, still it will just become orange. Okay, so that really depends. I think secondary maybe good. I don't want it to be too intrusive. Okay, so yeah, pretty good. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. All right, pretty long. See you next time. Bye.